No. There you go.
Now I'll leave Miss Gidget out here for a good few minutes.
Go feed the
Everybody gets a turn.
She said, where are we running to?
You are welcome to be here.
Hey.
Georgia loves apples. That's probably her favorite thing you've got in your bucket. Or corn. Everybody loves corn.
You're missing the baby kangaroo.
Okay.
You're missing the baby kangaroo.
Can't get away.
Anybody wants to see the zebras? My camel is wide open. If anybody wants our camel, I'll keep her to yourself for a minute.
Hi, buddy. Oh, God. You look excited, ain't you? Yeah, you're excited, ain't you? Kind of gentle with it.
You gotta do it like this. That's fine. See, you
There we
gotta do
go.
it flat-handed. I don't know what else
Hey,
to give you,
buddy.
bud. Hang on.
He's all excited. They come right to us.
Shut up, really?
Want an apple?
Yeah.
Got a carrot? Yeah, he like a carrot. Yes.
I'll eat the other feet, it looks like.
Yeah.
Right, get back.
So friendly.
Good. Don't do that.
Alright, I gotta ask, you guys, are you guys vloggers or anything like that? Or are you social media people? Or
I'm back, buddy.
Jack Sparrow and Chewbacca.
yeah?
He's a little rough feeling, ain't he?
Come on.
Look at your sweet potato trees.
Come on.
Almost.
Come on. There you go.
Oh my God, he did it.
Thank you. Alright.
Hi, buddy.
Alrighty, friends. We're going to take about 2 more minutes. Eat out a few more snacks. Grab a few more photos. I know you got some very big fans right there, Happy Jack. You got some group.
Oh, eating good, ain't you? Hi, buddy.
They are pretty big. Remember when you go in, you kind of want to keep your buckets a little higher?
Oh,
A
she's
little bit.
That is Vegas there. Vegas with the horns.
bad.
Memphis is,
Hit it.
Memphis is going to be her sister over here. This is a miniature Highland White Park.
Yeah,
So White Park
baby.
is a kind of cow, massive. They're the ones with the big horns that like make the huge.
Got plenty more.
As much as I will give you, because you are very nice.
Don't booty bump.
Very nice.
Okay, I got it out.
Got big old baby.
You about finished it.
She's a big old baby. That's what she is.
You are well. They don't.
Oh, you can feed him, babe.
You go right ahead.
They're all.
Harry that was in here is about 2.5 years old, so you can kind of see the growth of a kangaroo. So come on in, guys. Come on over.
Yeah, the bigger one.
Just want to snuggle him and love him and hold him. Yes, exactly. But as you can see from those nails and then also those teeth, that is not something I would funny or something like that because he won't me. Right. We do go in there with him and hang out with him and give him good pets as Maddie just showed you. So although he's alone, we like he's not down and 80 meters away. And that is also how you will steal eggs from you. Just turned 2 months old.
So big.
Friday.
You want to eat the good stuff? You want some pellets? I got you. I know. Yeah, I got you. My buddy.
Right now I've got 2 guesses for the males on the
Oh, I can't wait to hang out with these things.
hanging out with us. Look how cute your chance of survival with the since it did not have a
See?
little first defense. We also had to intervene to make sure that she was getting the right amount of nutrients and they fed because they would. We had 3 North Carolina turkeys as well. They do require some extra stuffing, although they will not end up under dinner tables.
That was the mean one, right?
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
Oh, okay. She didn't like that.
Right on here, and if y'all have any empty buckets, I will take them. We'll get the perfect.
I'll say, are we supposed to be empty now?
We're gonna act and plan very similar to those fairy tale. I was gonna say, are you not gonna dry off? I'm a little rude, but no one's drying off.
Oh, there you are.
I know. Actually.
He didn't get it out.
No.
That's pretty cool.
And I've got a picture of him doing it.
Eat your face. Oh, now you gonna roll around and dry off?
Oh, after I got the towel? Wow.
Up.
You're feeling.
You're like, here you go.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he's on my lap. You want that fish?
Yeah, you gotta get off this first.
He got my last feed.
They think it's so fun.
Oh no.
Still one.
Got your right.
Felix. Oh, Felix. Hey, pass the paper towel.
There she was biting.
I'm so excited.
Oh, paper towel?
Oh, but now we like the ball.
Okay.
Oh, maybe not. It's like where your toddler's just on rocks.
No, literally.
Yeah.
No. Hey, babies.
There we go.
But playing with the ball.
You get it. The eye's so big and fishy. The eye like the
Oh, Nora.
call my alligator duck roll. Do you see she flips herself with her tail?
Is it up there? It is up there.
Yeah, you get it.
Oh, it's in your backpack.
Felix, quit pickpocketing people. Is that you, Felix? It's not. That's Finn. Felix is right here.
Hey, Finn.
Are you done? You're bored with it already? That's fine. We forgot about it.
Okay, you just gonna hang out here? That's okay.
Now we have grace. So good. Oh, we like the. Don't rip it off. You're like,
Oh, he's on my lap. You want that fish?
you gotta get off this first.
He got my last fish.
Now he's like, now I'm happy.
He's like, I wanted
Yeah, baby.
You are so cute.
He's behind me.
A little more down. You can go ahead. Here you go. You're adorable. No, you want to. You keep.
Oh
you
man,
wanna
this
get
is
some more
awesome.
down? All right, you have a little more. You go ahead. You work it. You were very cute. You were a bit damp too. Up. You want to? There we go. A little more. Up.
They're a lifetime commitment, and they're funny about people. We had to work really, really hard to get April to socialize. We basically just pass her around the staff member, make sure she's socialized as much as possible. She's like, I know it's in there. That is so funny. Did she get it? Yeah.
Coming for you.
But she will grow and live to be about 45 to 50 years old. So she has
totally just take care of each other.
Okay, guys, here you are.
Now, lemurs are native to Madagascar and Madagascar
Doing
only. They
great.
will not leave the island because lemurs absolutely despise water. They hate it.
There
they
you
hate
go.
it wet, and
Pretty.
So they have no interest in leaving Madagascar.
You're also, oh, you're gonna take
Is
this?
she eating
There you
grapes?
go.
Yes.
Okay, so is he.
It's 7 hours a day. It's incredible.
Are you gonna give kisses to me?
So we're very clean animals.
Oh, it's so
Very
soft.
clean animals. We were talking about April's poop and how it comes on out. Theirs is even crazier. So they're one of the most.
It's so
Fast if you want me to. Do you want to pet him?
It's fine. She'll fall. It'll be okay.
He's got really thick skin. And you'll see he's fully using his
April's going crazy.